Good morning children. Welcome to today's class. So today we will discuss about PowerPoint. Last class we have discussed about PowerPoint. So what are the advanced features of PowerPoint, how to create a presentation using themes, and how to change the theme fonts, how to create presentation from the template. Everything I have explained you. Today I will explain you about hyperlink. So first, what is a hyperlink? So hyperlink, you must have seen the underlined text or pictures, highlighted text or image that is linked to another document or another place in the same document is known as hyperlink. The highlighted text or pictures. Sometimes we may want to include a hyperlink in our presentation. So to link it to a file or web page or an email address. We can also insert hyperlinks in our presentation to link one slide to another. So let us learn about hyperlink, how you can insert hyperlink in a document. So I have told you what is hyperlink. Hyperlink is a highlighted text or image that is linked to another document or to another place in the same document. We may want to include in our presentation to a file or email, web page or email address. We can also insert hyperlinks in a presentation to link one slide to another. So let us learn how you can insert hyperlink, how we can do. So inserting hyperlink to a file. To insert hyperlink to a file, we follow the steps given below. First step, select the text or image that you want to set as a hyperlink. Second one, open the insert tab. In the links group, click on hyperlink button. Or you can also open this dialog box by right clicking on the selected text and selecting the hyperlink option. Now third one, on the left side of the dialog box, click on existing file or web page. Then the selected text, if any, will appear in the text to display field. Okay. Now you can change this text if you want. Suppose you want some other text, you can change this text. Click the drop down arrow in the look and field and select the folder or drive that contains your file. So click the drop down arrow in the look and field. So drop down arrow in the look and field and select the folder or drive that contains your file. Now sixth one, select the desired file from the dialog box and click OK. Now select which desired file from the dialog box and click on OK. The selected text or image will now be a hyperlink to the file you selected. So the selected text or image will now be a hyperlink to the file you selected. Tip. Now PowerPoint often recognize email and web addresses as you type and will format them as a hyperlink automatically after you press the enter key or the space bar. So PowerPoint recognize email or web addresses as you type and will format them as the hyperlink automatically after you press the enter key or space bar. Now inserting hyperlink to another slide. We can insert hyperlink that links one slide of a presentation to another slide in the same presentation. The steps are as follows. Select the required text or image that you want to turn into a hyperlink. Now open the insert hyperlink dialog box. On the left side of the dialog box, click on the place in this document button. Click the name of the slide you want to link to. Now a list of other slides in your presentation will appear. Other slide will appear. Now change the text for the hyperlink in the text to display field as needed and click on OK button. The text or image will now be a hyperlink to the slide you selected. So tip, To open and test the inserted hyperlink, right click on it and select Open Hyperlink option from the shortcut menu. And to remove a hyperlink, simply right click on it and select Remove Hyperlink button. So inserting hyperlink to another slide we have done. Now inserting action button. So what are action button? Action buttons are built-in button shapes that function much like hyperlink. So action button are already built-in button shapes that functions much like hyperlink. We can link them to a file, slide, web addresses or email addresses and so on. When someone clicks or moves the pointer over an action button, the specified action will occur. So when someone clicks or moves the pointer over an action button, the specified action will occur. So action buttons are built-in shapes that function much like hyperlink. It is given in page number 59. Underline that one. Now inserting an action button on a slide. How you can insert an action button on a slide? We can insert the action button on a slide by the following steps. Click on the Insert tab. Select the Shapes button in the illustration group. Select the Shapes button in the illustration group. Now different shapes. Select the desired action button from the bottom sections of the shapes. So in the bottom shapes are there. So select. Click on the slide at the desired place. Click on the slide at the desired place. Select. Click on the Insert tab, select the Shapes button in the illustration group of the shapes. Then select the desired action button from the bottom section of the shapes group. Click on the slide at the desired place to insert the action button there. The action dialog box will appear. Now select the mouse, click tab. Settings made in this tab will enable the action button to perform an action on the mouse click. In the action on click section, select hyperlink to, then click the drop down arrow and choose an option from the menu. Check the play sound box if you want a sound to play when the action button is clicked and select the sound from the drop down menu. Now click on OK button. After inserting a hyperlink or action button, you can test it by running the slideshow. Remember that hyperlinks and action button will not work in the normal view. Hyperlink and action button will not run in the normal view. One activity is given at page number 60. So children, that one you have to do. Now let's recall. Theme is a combination of fonts, pictures, colors, sounds and background and so on that can be applied to a presentation. A template is a ready-made presentation with predefined background, font style, color, so on with suggestive text. After applying a theme, you can customize its various elements as per your needs. A slide master or master slide is a special type of slide that stores information about the theme of the slide layout of a presentation. You can work with the slide master and the slide master view. A hyperlink is a text or image which when clicked opens a linked slide or document. An action button. So an action button is a hyperlink button that serves the same purpose as a hyperlink. You can work with slide master in the slide master view. Hyperlink is a text image which when clicked opens a linked slide or document. So now terms to learn. Children, you have to learn this terms to learn. It will come in the definition. So write this terms to learn and terms to learn in your notebook. And you have to learn this terms to learn. So what is a theme? A theme is a combination of fonts, pictures, background, sound, styles, so on that can be applied to a presentation. A template is a ready-made presentation with predefined background, font style, color and so on with suggestive text. Slide master, a special type of slide that stores information about the theme and slide layout of a presentation. Slide master view, the three-pan view in which you work on the master slide and supporting layout. Action button built-in shapes that you can add to a presentation and then assign them an action which occurs when you click with mouse over them with the mouse during a slideshow. So you have to write terms to learn in your notebook, and you have to learn these terms to learn also. So next class we'll discuss worksheet 1, 2, 3, and children, you have to do the practical of this chapter. I will explain you the practical also. So that's all for today. See you in next class. Good morning children. So how you can do practical in MS PowerPoint, I will explain you. This is the PowerPoint screen. You will click on File tab. You will click on File tab, then you will click on New option. Search for online templates and themes. Now you can see different types of templates and themes are available. You can choose any theme over here. All the different designs are available. You can choose. Suppose I am choosing this one. So next, click on Create button. Now this has been created. Click to add slide. You can insert more slide by clicking here. Suppose new slide, you want to insert new slide, you can insert new slide. Different layouts are there. Designs are available. You can choose any design which you want. So in this way you can create a presentation using a theme. Now changing the theme colors. Suppose you want more slides, you can click. Now click on design tab. Suppose I want to change the theme colors. Different designs are there. You can select different theme also from here. Available themes and templates. You can select different themes. Now how you can change the theme, and you can save the current theme also. Suppose you will click here, then the theme will be saved. In this way we can save the current theme. Now from here we can change the theme colors. So select here, different colors are available. You can choose any color of those. Any color you can select here, and colors you can choose any different blue color, gray color, office color, blue, green. You can choose any color. Now different types of fonts are available. Suppose you want to write text in different color, different font, then you can choose the font from here. Suppose I am writing here computer. Now I will change the font from here. Then you can select font. From this you can select different font. Now you don't want this font, then again you can select different. A number of fonts are available. You can select any font from here. You can select the font, colors. Now I want to change the effect. So then click on effects button, and different types of effects are available. You can select. So this effect or any effect, you can select any effect from this side, then the effect will be changed. In this way we can change the effect. So we can change the colors, we can change the theme colors, theme fonts, theme effects. Now changing the background style. You want to change the background style, click on background. Any other background if you want, you can select. In this way we can change the background style. So saving the theme. Already I have told you background. You can select any background. Now saving the theme. From the design tab, click on more themes. Then from here you will save the current theme. In this way we can save the current theme. Same now creating presentation from the templates. Same, you will click on file tab, then new. Now different templates, online templates and themes are available. You can select any template, click on create button. Now it is like this. Now you can add more slide, and different total 9 slide layouts are available. So you can select 12 slide layout. You can select any slide layout to create a presentation. Now slide master. Open the required presentation which you want to change. Then click on the view tab. Click on the view tab. Then here slide master is here. This one is slide master. So in slide master, group all the slides. Slide master tab will appear on the active tab and the slide master pane will appear. Now you want to give any picture here, you want to do any changes, you can add here in slide master. It will appear in all the slides. So you can insert picture also in the slide master view. So now click on insert tab. Suppose you want to insert picture. Click on insert tab, then click on picture. Suppose any pictures are there, insert tab in the image group, select picture. Suppose any picture I want to take from this. Suppose I will take this one. You can insert any picture here. This will appear in all the slides. So you can do like this slide master. You can insert picture in slide master. So how you can insert template, how you can design a template, everything I have explained you. So that's all for today. I hope you will practice the practical at your home. See you in next class.